Bonjour and welcome back to Le Podcast de Philippe. Today, we're going to be diving into EAI 2025. It's a major AI conference happening right here in Montreal on February 26th and 27th. And we'll be unpacking the key themes and intriguing questions really surrounding AI's role in the creative industries. So things like, what are the potential impacts on artists? How can AI be used as a tool without replacing human creativity? And then what about the legal and ethical considerations? We'll explore all of this and more. We're going to be drawing insights from articles, event details, and some expert perspectives. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel on YouTube and like this video. Now let's dive in.
It's interesting that this year's focus is on human-scale AI. It seems like they're making a deliberate effort to keep people at the heart of this technological shift, especially considering we're seeing such a surge in AI development across various sectors.
Right. And the conference itself is organized around 4 key pillars. These pillars are going to be driving the conversation forward. So we'll be exploring the impact of AI on individual artists. Then we'll zoom out and look at its effect on entire creative industries. We'll also delve into some broader sector-specific issues, things like copyright and venture capital. And finally, we'll get hands-on with some practical case studies. These case studies show AI's real-world applications in the creative process.
One of the things that struck me when I was looking at the program was the sheer breadth of questions that EAI 2025 is tackling. It's not just about the technical capabilities of AI, it's about the philosophical, the ethical, and even the artistic implications.
Exactly. They're really getting into the heart of the matter with questions like, can AI truly be creative? How can creators use AI without feeling like they're being replaced by it? And what about the legal gray areas around AI-generated art? Like, who owns the rights? And could AI even win awards?
Yeah, it feels like the conference is really trying to create a space for nuanced dialogue. There are sessions titled The Oscars of AI, Will Machines Take Center Stage? And Chaos of Copyright, Who Owns the Robot's Masterpiece? I mean, these titles alone really suggest a willingness to grapple with complex issues that don't have easy answers.
And it's also worth noting that EAI is a business-to-business community. They aim to connect people from all different sectors, so entertainment, AI development, and investment. This multifaceted approach is crucial because the impact of AI is going to be felt across all these areas. And so we need diverse perspectives to navigate this uncharted territory.
Yeah, the source material I reviewed really suggests that EAI 2025 wants to be more than just a conference. It aims to be a catalyst for collaboration.
And that collaboration is key. We need artists, technologists, legal experts, and investors, all working together to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits both creativity and humanity.
One of the examples that caught my eye was the exploration of AI's potential in interactive theater and gaming. Like, imagine a play where the AI adapts the story in real time, based on the audience's reactions, or a video game character that learns your play style and evolves alongside you.
That sounds incredible.
Yeah.
But it also makes you wonder about the role of the human artist in these scenarios. Like, where does the line blur between creator and AI collaborator?
That's a great question, and it's one that the conference is actively addressing. While they are showcasing the incredible potential of AI, EAI 2025 is also emphasizing the importance of keeping humans at the center of this technological shift. It's about finding the right balance, right?
Yeah.
Utilizing AI to empower artists rather than replace them.
So AI is a powerful tool in the creative toolkit, but not necessarily a substitute for human ingenuity.
Precisely. It's about augmenting and expanding creative possibilities, not diminishing the role of human artists.
And that brings us back to the concept of human-scale AI. But this raises another thought-provoking question. If AI can truly enhance creative processes, should it be eligible for awards? For instance, if an AI creates a masterpiece, who gets the recognition? The programmer, the user, or the AI itself?
That's where the discussion around copyright and authorship gets incredibly complex.
It's almost as if we need to redefine creativity itself in the age of AI.
Yeah, it seems like EAI 2025 is encouraging us to think beyond that immediate wow factor of AI and really delve into those long-term consequences for the definition of creativity itself.
And that leads us nicely into the first pillar of the conference, the impact of AI on individual artists.
Right. And the source material suggests that rather than viewing AI as this threat, artists should consider it as a powerful tool that can enhance their creative processes.
One article even used the analogy of AI being like a creative intern, handling those more tedious tasks.
Oh, that's interesting. Freeing up artists to focus on the conceptual and emotional aspects of their work.
Right. So it's about increasing efficiency and giving artists more time to explore new ideas.
Precisely. You know, Imagine a filmmaker using AI to automatically transcribe and translate hours of footage, or a musician using AI to generate variations on a melody.
It sounds like AI could act as a catalyst for inspiration almost, helping artists break through creative blocks.
Yeah, that's a really interesting point. And the source material also highlights the potential for AI to personalize experiences for audiences.
Oh, okay. So, for example, like interactive storytelling, where the plot unfolds based on your choices as a viewer.
Exactly. We're also seeing AI being used to kind of like break the fourth wall in theater.
Now, that's something I'm really curious about. How does that work exactly?
Well, imagine a play where AI-powered characters can interact with the audience in real time, responding to their reactions and shaping the narrative accordingly.
Oh, wow. So the line between the performance and the audience becomes blurred, creating a truly immersive experience.
Exactly. And that raises questions about authorship and control, right? In this collaborative environment between humans and AI.
Yeah, absolutely. And those questions are central to the second pillar of the conference, the impact of AI on entire creative industries.
Right. So here, the focus shifts to how AI can be used to create new forms of entertainment and transform existing ones.
We've already touched upon interactive theater and gaming,
Yeah.
but what other areas are being explored?
Well, the source material mentions using AI for things like personalized music recommendations, creating unique soundtracks for individual listeners,
Okay.
and AI-powered tools for generating special effects and animations in film.
It sounds like these applications have the potential to revolutionize the way creative content is produced and consumed.
Yeah, absolutely.
But with any technological revolution come challenges, and EAI 2025 doesn't shy away from those.
No, they don't. The third pillar of the conference dives into those broader sectoral issues that arise with the integration of AI in creative industries.
Primarily copyright and venture capital.
Right. The question of copyright is particularly complex in the age of AI. You know, if an AI creates a piece of art, who owns the rights?
It's a question with no easy answers, and one that will likely require new legal frameworks to address.
Absolutely. And EAI 2025 will actually be hosting a panel discussion specifically on this topic. It's titled Chaos of Copyright. Who owns the robot's masterpiece?
It sounds like they're inviting legal experts, artists, and technologists to come together and explore potential solutions.
Exactly. And on the venture capital side, the conference will explore how startups are using AI to disrupt creative industries.
There's a panel discussion titled From Hidden Gem to AI Unicorn, Startups, Venture Capital, and the Future of Creative AI.
It seems like there's a lot of excitement about the potential for AI to drive innovation and economic growth in these sectors.
But it's not just about the financial aspects, is it? It's about supporting new voices and ideas, allowing smaller companies to challenge the status quo.
Right. And that brings us to the fourth and final pillar of the conference, practical case studies.
This is where the theory meets reality, with presentations and workshops showcasing real-world examples of AI being used in creative projects.
Yeah, one example that caught my attention was a presentation on how AI is being used to create personalized learning experiences for students studying music.
That's fascinating. So AI tailoring lessons to each student's individual needs and learning styles.
Exactly. It's a glimpse into the future of education, where AI can play a crucial role in making learning more engaging and effective.
It sounds like EAI 2025 is not only showcasing the potential of AI, but also highlighting the importance of using it responsibly.
And ethically, one of the articles mentioned a panel discussion titled The Singularity, a Band Name. It seems like they're inviting attendees to ponder those philosophical implications of AI and its relationship to humanity.
Which is essential if we want to ensure that AI is used to enhance our lives rather than diminish them.
Absolutely. The source material I reviewed also mentions that there will be delegations of young experts from France and Belgium attending the conference.
Now, that's encouraging to see the next generation of creators and innovators being actively involved in these discussions.
Yeah, it reinforces the global nature of this conversation and highlights the importance of international collaboration in shaping the future of AI.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground, exploring each of the four pillars that form the foundation of EAI 2025.
We've discussed the potential benefits and challenges of AI, the ethical considerations, and the importance of human-centered design.
But one thing that's become clear is that this is just the beginning of the conversation.
Oh, absolutely. AI is rapidly evolving, and its impact on creativity is only going to grow in the years to come.
It's been fascinating unpacking the various facets of EI 2025 and how it's addressing the evolving role of AI in creative fields.
Yeah, from exploring the potential of AI to enhance those creative processes, to examining the ethical and legal complexities it kind of introduces, the conference seems to be setting the stage for some really vital conversation.
But there's one aspect we haven't touched upon yet, and that often sparks anxiety. The fear of AI replacing human jobs.
Right, it's a valid concern,
Yeah.
especially with the rapid advancements we're witnessing in AI capabilities. So how does EAI 2025 address this fear specifically within the context of creative industries?
Well, instead of framing AI as a job stealer, the conference positions it as a potential collaborator, emphasizing this concept of augmented creativity.
So rather than fearing obsolescence, artists and creators should be thinking about how to work with AI to enhance their skills.
Precisely. The conference encourages a mindset shift from viewing AI as a threat to seeing it as a powerful tool that can unlock new creative possibilities.
One article used the analogy of AI being like a creative intern, handling repetitive tasks and freeing up human creators for that higher level thinking.
Yeah, it highlights the importance of adaptability, right? And recognizing how AI can complement human skills rather than replace them entirely.
This brings to mind the concept of human scale AI again. It's about harnessing the power of AI while preserving the essence of human ingenuity.
And the conference materials emphasize the importance of human oversight and ethical considerations in AI development, ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly. One panel discussion titled "The Singularity, a Band Name" seems to be diving into those philosophical questions surrounding AI and its relationship to humanity.
It suggests that EAI 2025 isn't just about showcasing the latest AI advancements, but also prompting that critical reflection on the broader implications of this technology.
It's a reminder that we have a role in shaping the future of AI and ensuring it serves to enhance our lives and creative endeavors, rather than diminish them.
Absolutely.
Well, it's been a truly insightful deep dive into EAI 2025, exploring its focus on human-scale AI, the four key pillars framing the conversation, and the thought-provoking questions it raises about the future of creativity.
We've learned about the potential benefits and challenges of AI, the importance of collaboration between those various sectors, and the ongoing need to prioritize human creativity in a world increasingly shaped by technology.
As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we engage in these informed discussions about its role in society, ensuring that it serves as a force for good.
And remember, even as AI becomes more sophisticated, it's the human element, our imagination, empathy, and unique perspectives that will continue to drive innovation and inspire those meaningful creative expressions.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into EI 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on YouTube and like this video. À bientôt.